Welcome to Lab 6, working with disks. This lab is found in the Windows 7 Configuration Lab Manual, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course series. This one is designed for exam 70-680. So, this first lab we're going to go over creating a basic disk partition. So let's get started. We're going to go to our Windows 7 workstation. I'm already logged in to my RWDC01 as Contoso/administrator. I'm also logged into my student 1, and I just want to kind of make sure that everything is connected on the network. So I should see, okay, there's student 2, there's my live machine, and there's the RWDC01. So it looks like everything is set up as far as the network. That's good. Okay, so we are going to click on, I'm going to minimize my RWDC because we're going to be working with this one right now. And we're going to click on our Windows icon and go into Control Panel. Now that we're in Control Panel, we're going to click on System and Security and then Administrative Tools. And now we're going to double-click Computer Management. Now there is a more expeditious way to get to where we're going. I am just walking through step by step how it reads in the lab manual. Okay, so now that we're in the Computer Management console, we're going to select Disk Management. And right now it looks like we have 100 megabyte in system reserved and then 59.9 gig in the main root. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and basically create a partition here. So I'm going to click on here and right click, and I'm going to do a shrink volume. And I want to shrink it. Shrink. And that leaves us with about 29.03. Really, I don't think we need quite so much. We only need about half, not even, we need about 20 gig. So if I do extend volume, next, finish. Let's go ahead and do it again. Right click, shrink. I don't need to shrink by 29. Okay, so I'm only going to shrink it by about 19,721. It should still leave me about 40 gig. There we go. Perfect. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to left click, right click, and create new simple volume. And then click on next. And next. And we're going to let it default to E. Next. And we want to change our file system to a FAT32. And we're going to call this Alice 1. And then click on next. And then finish. And that is all there is to creating a partition. And you'll see that we already have this folder come up. I'm just going to close out of it for now. And that is the end of this video and the end of this exercise. The next video, next exercise, we'll be looking at extending a basic disk partition.